So we're at the Apopka Wildlife Reserve in Apopka, Florida. And it is a wildlife reserve. There's gators, there's different species of turtles and birds. I'm sure there's some snakes around. But it's a nice, relaxing kind of drive, and you get a surprise every so often. You see a gator and they're massive. But it's an overall fun experience. The Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive is a one-way 11-mile drive meandering through the eastern portion of the property. The drive takes between 1 to 3 hours depending on how many people are in queue to travel through the wildlife drive. In our instance, there wasn't many cars up until kind of the end of the tour. But it's really cool. You put the windows down and just kind of listen to nature. You hear the water, birds, and you come across some of these guys. Look at that. That guy right there is huge. It is important to note the Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive entrance gate is open for vehicle traffic between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and on federal holidays. So it's definitely open at times where the entire family can go and explore. But all cars do have to be out of the reserve by 5 p.m. So I wanted to take the time out because we have been hearing from a lot of you asking how you can support the channel or if there's merchandise. And now there is, plainsandavenues.com. Let's get back to the show. Another cool thing that the Lake Apopka North Shore offers, it's a bird checklist. So they have these lists that you can actually find online, and I'll add the link in the description below, where you can go through and see different types of warblers, sparrows, tanagers, grosbeaks, all different types of birds, owls, ducks, geese, quail, turkey, all of these different types of birds that have been observed at that location. There are even butterfly species. We saw a couple, they flew by very quickly and we missed them on camera, but it is also something else that you can check out. On your drive, mark off what you see, and what you come across is super breathtaking sometimes. It's things that, you know, in today's world with so much building and so much construction and the reduction of nature, you rarely ever see. And it's nice to be able to, you know, just take an hour, 2 hours out of your day and go be around nature, the open air, wildlife. It's really breathtaking and beautiful.